what are some things that maybe a new real estate investor, commercial real estate investor need to know before jumping into commercial real estate investing?
Yeah, I mean, you're going to pick your asset class. I think first of all, find out why you want to invest in a particular asset class. You're going to educate the heck out of yourself. You're going to go to podcasts like mine. You're going to go to, I can name off a dozen podcasts on here, the Real Estate Syndication Show. You're going to go to Joe Fairless's podcast, Best Ever Real Estate. You're going to listen a lot and educate heavily. Then you're going to find somebody in the space that knows what they're talking about in that particular niche. If it's retail, you're going to focus it on retail because there are dynamics in retail that are different than dynamics in office space. They're different than industrial, then different than multifamily or self-storage. So I interviewed a guy today that he is in the antenna lease space. So if you have a building on top with an antenna on top of the building and someone else operates that, that's all he focuses on is antenna leases around the country. So giant towers, there's somebody paying somebody else for the right to be on that land and stick that antenna in the air. Kind of crazy. So, you got to really just dial in deep on what it is that the asset class you're looking to invest in. So that's the first thing. So once you feel like you've educated yourself, of course, simultaneously, you're talking to brokers, you're talking to anybody in the space. You're getting on LinkedIn and finding people that specialize in it. You're watching what they're posting, reading their blog posts. I mean, the whole thing is just an education. Just consume as much content as you can as it pertains to those asset classes, and that's the best place to start.
Yeah, I agree. And you could probably just stop at your podcast. I don't think there's anything else really that you need.
I assure you.
Yeah.
Lots of things we don't cover. So yeah, absolutely.